guys, welcome back to my channel. Honestly, I probably wonder where I've been. You know, I just cut my LOCS off and left you on the dark, but we're gonna have an update on her soon. But until then, passion twister vlogs. Yeah, this is for all my girls. Summertime's coming and you don't really want your hair out. Graduation coming, you don't want your hair out. Link down below. Link to my Amazon storefront. We're about to do passion twists. I'm so excited. But yeah, I am going to give y'all some luck updates. I definitely left you on the dark, but it's given like 6 months. Then I got y'all. It's going to be the no crochet, no rubber band method because I don't want rubber bands in my locks and I don't want to be crocheting anything through. It's not safe. This is what the hair looks like. It looks like about 7, 8 maybe coming here, and this is 30 inches. Bust down passion twist, and I'm also gonna do the extra small passion twist. See you on the video. Okay, first you want to section your hair into 4 quadrants, whatever works best for you. Me personally, I like 4 quadrants. Since it's a new style, I'll start it in the back because that's where I can play around. You can't really see where I messed up. Then I'm gonna put my shoe on, you know, prop my hair up, and I'm gonna get to work. The twisting was the longest part, okay? And this is a little fast, but if you keep watching, I'm gonna show you guys a more in-depth tutorial. But pretty much, I grabbed 1 piece of hair and I did 2 locks in the back. And I started with a braid almost to the end of the lock, and then I started with a twist. I felt like that helped me keep it tucked in a lot better. And then I just twisted until my fingers felt like they're gonna fall. The whole hairstyle was actually pretty easy. The only part that really took long would have to be twisting all the way to the bottom because again, this is 30 inches. We're gonna have to keep twisting and twisting, twisting. You know how everyone tells you have to make sure you twist in the right way when it comes to passion twists? That is really true. For me, I had to twist from the right to the left. And a lot of people even said you should use mousse because it makes separating the hair a lot easier, but I actually didn't use it. The hair didn't tingle bad at all either.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby is been.
Let's give y'all a quick update. I kind of have been. I'm done with the back half of my hair. And this half honestly took me 7 hours. And I don't really think that was bad. I'm probably gonna look back and be like, 7 hours. But like, they are 30 inches. So like, if I think I'm getting busted out 30 inches in 2 hours, like, BFFR. Anyway, I'm on my 3rd pack. You know how I told y'all, oh, there's only 17. And I'm using 1 per lock. So I'm gonna give y'all more of an in-depth tutorial at the top. But I just wanted to show how it's coming out so far. A little update. Hold up. Ooh. I'll update y'all when we get to the front so I can give y'all like in-depth on what I did. Now we're in the front. Thank God. This is honestly the next day. I have to start my hair in the middle of the day because I have class, but same concept. You're going to grab 1 piece, use your lock as the 3rd piece, and braid all the way down. And yes, the front part took even longer because they're a lot smaller in the front. And then once I kind of knew what I was doing, I was a lot more comfortable and also braiding a lot tighter and making sure it looks good. It's in the front. Like I said, the back you can play around, you can do whatever. But once you get to the front, that's what really matters. That's what people are going to see. Okay, so here is a quick 360. I was tired, so I wasn't trying to do too much because this is day 2. All right, first, like I told you guys before, you're going to grab 1 piece of crochet hair. I fluffed some up. I didn't fluff any up, and honestly, I didn't really see a big difference. Then you're going to grab 1 lock. Like I told you guys in the front, I did 1 lock. Make sure your hair is put away because let me tell y'all, it's going to be very annoying when you start and another lock is in it. So yeah, you're going to wrap it around and you're going to start the top with a braid. I like to braid it down to where my lock ends because they are shorter, at least to it almost ends, and then twist it just so I could tuck it a lot better. I feel like this was the easiest way if you're not crocheting is to start with a braid and then twist. But if you did crochet, then it was a lot easier to start with a twist. But like I said, I didn't want to harm my locks. So I braided them at the top, no rubber bands, and twisted.
Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel.
And here it is up close. Like I told you guys, one piece of crochet hair. Then you're going to grab your one lock. You're going to put the hair, wrap it around the lock, and then you're going to start with a braid. I think I could braid tighter when I start with a braid. And like I said, since we're not using crochet or rubber bands, I feel like it's a lot easier to start with a braid so it doesn't slip. And then before, like I said, you're going to just braid almost down to the bottom of your lock, or depending on how short it was, I braided all the way to the bottom of my lock. And then you're going to finish up with a twist. I didn't need to add rubber bands or burn the ends or nothing like that because it's passion twist hair, so it's curly. So you didn't really have to do anything to keep it intact. Yeah, at one point I was in shambles. I could not keep twisting all the way down and then start a new one. So I went back and I twisted the rest. I truly know what arthritis feels like after all these twists. My fingers were cramping. I was tired. At this point, I didn't even care. But it really did turn out so well in the end. So, I cut the end so there was no stragglers left behind. As you can see my face, I'm tired. But it came out so cute. I'm definitely excited for this new log journey. I feel like I'm going to be doing a lot more trendy styles as well as styling my locks too. So I'm really excited for this new journey. I mean, us log girls deserve to be able to do trendy styles too. And I'm here to help. So thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to comment them down below. See ya.